I've been exploring the Eventbrite Organizer app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Eventbrite Organizer app. First, let's talk about what Eventbrite Organizer actually offers. Event organizers can track ticket sales in real time, monitor live attendance, and check in guests quickly using fast ticket scanning, all from an iPhone or iPad. It also lets you manage orders on the spot with reissues, cancellations, and refunds, and even accept secure on-site payments for tickets and merchandise, which makes it quite practical for busy event days. Another plus is that it supports multiple languages, so teams working across different regions can still use the same tool smoothly. Now, let's move to the interface and day-to-day use. The overall experience leans towards being straightforward and focused on stats and check-ins, which is great when you just need to see sales and get people through the door fast. However, several users point out that editing event details or organizer profiles can feel confusing and unintuitive, with key options buried or hard to find. There are also complaints about the dashboard feeling impractical for larger events, especially when trying to pull a clean guest list or find registrant names quickly. Finally, we should address the pain points. Some organizers are disappointed by how payouts are handled, mentioning difficulties finding payout information in the app and frustration with fees that can approach or exceed 8% once processing and withdrawal charges are factored in. For small, simple events, the convenience and reliability may outweigh these drawbacks. But for larger, high-budget events, the combination of editing friction, dashboard limitations, and fee structure can be a real concern. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.